Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to take Microsoft's powerful AI with you on the go using your smartphone. First, you need to make sure you have an active Copilot subscription, like Copilot Pro or an enterprise license, tied to your Microsoft account. To get started, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the official Microsoft 365 app, or the standalone Microsoft Copilot app. Once it's installed, open it up and make sure you sign in with the exact account that holds your license. If you're using the main Microsoft 365 app, you'll see a dedicated Copilot icon right at the bottom center of your screen. Just tap that tab to open your AI assistant. From here, it works beautifully on a smaller screen. You can tap the text box to type out your prompt or hit the microphone icon to speak naturally and ask it to draft emails, summarize long documents you've saved in OneDrive, or brainstorm ideas. Because it's connected to your cloud account, it can seamlessly reference your recent Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files to pull in information while you're away from your desk. If this quick mobile tutorial helped you stay productive on the go, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Copilot tips, and let me know in the comments which you plan to ask the AI from your phone first. Thanks for watching.